Hello. Welcome to our English class. Today, Julia and Alex are at a doctor's office. Julia is a doctor. Alex is a patient. He does not feel well. Let's watch and learn. What problem does Alex have?
Hello, Alex. Welcome.
Hello, Dr. Julia. Thank you.
Please sit down. How can I help you today?
I do not feel very well.
I am so sorry to hear that. What is the problem?
I have a bad stomach ache.
A stomach ache. I understand. When did it start?
It started yesterday morning.
Okay. Do you feel sick too? Like you want to vomit?
Yes, a little. I have some nausea.
Nausea. Okay. Do you have a headache?
No, I do not have a headache, just the stomach ache.
How is your appetite? Are you eating?
No, I am not eating at all. I just do not want food.
That is very common with a stomach problem.
Is it serious, doctor?
We must check. Can I examine you?
Yes, of course.
Please lie on the table over there.
Okay.
I will press your stomach. Tell me where it hurts.
Okay.
Does it hurt here?
No, not there.
Does it hurt here?
Yes, that hurts. That is the place.
Okay. You can sit up now.
What is it?
It seems like a simple stomach bug, a small infection.
A bug? Is that bad?
No. It is common. You will be fine.
What must I do?
You must get some rest, and you must drink lots of water.
Rest and water. Okay.
I will give you a prescription for some medicine.
Thank you.
Take 1 tablet every 8 hours.
1 tablet, 8 hours.
For 3 days.
Okay, 3 days.
Serious but friendly. Drink only clear liquids today. Water, tea.
No coffee?
No, coffee today, sorry. You must let your stomach rest.
Okay, doctor.
You will feel better tomorrow. If not, call me.
Thank you, Dr. Julia. You are very helpful.
You are so welcome, Alex. I hope you feel better soon.
Me too. Goodbye, doctor.
Goodbye, Alex. Take care.
So, what problem does Alex have? Comment below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more easy English lessons. Thank you for watching.